everybody, thanks for joining us today. Welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie
And I'm Steve Piacenza, and today we're going to be working with Mod Podge Resin and some silicone molds.
We're going to be making some really fun holiday hair clips. These are perfect gifts to give, really for teens, tweens. We're going to love them, but honestly, I love them too.
We're also going to be showing you how to use glitter, inks, and embellishments for these projects.
So sit back and enjoy the fun, but remember, it's safety first when it comes to working with resin.
Always.
For this project, I'm wearing gloves and a filtered mask with an OV filter. For today's project, I'm using Mod Podge 2-part resin. We're going to need some measuring cups in various sizes, of course, our hair clip silicone mold, and our additives. You can use glitter, alphabet letters, any little fun things like that. To mix the resin, you're going to use equal parts of 1 and 2. So you're going to mix the same amount of resin 1 with hardener number 2. Then you'll combine those and stir for 3 minutes total. You're going to want to make sure that you're scraping the sides as you stir. Don't stir too aggressive. You're trying to avoid air bubbles. Once your 3 minutes is up, I like to let my mixed resin sit for a couple of minutes. You will have 30 minutes to work with your resin before it starts to harden. Let's start with our Merry hair clip. We're going to use some Gold Star confetti, some small peppermint candy embellishments, and our letter beads. For aligning letter beads, a toothpick is a really great tool. A little drop of resin on the end of a toothpick will help you pick up some of your small embellishments. You'll top coat your design with a little bit more resin. Once you're finished, you'll set this aside in a non-drafty place for 24 hours before unmolding. You can use alcohol inks to tint your resin. Now, it's not an exact science. You're going to want to experiment with how deep you want your color. You can add glitters and mix-ins to your tinted resin as well. You can also mix your glitter directly into the resin and then pour into the mold. Spray the top of your design with rubbing alcohol to help prevent air bubbles. After 24 hours, you're ready to unmold your designs. If you have a little resin or glitter overhang, you can just peel it off with your finger or use wet sandpaper. Use a heavy duty or super glue to attach the clip to the back of the resin piece.
You know, Kath, it's shocking how many you were able to make with that amount of resin.
I know, and they're all so cute.
Yeah.
I know that we're giving them out as gifts, but I kind of want to keep a few for myself.
You know, I need a few of those to give to my sisters.
Let's do it.
And nieces, of course.
We just got to package those up.
Yes.
We hope today's projects have showed you how you can make these really cute holiday hair clips. They're really simple to do, and I have a feeling you're going to be looking for all those embellishments when you're out shopping.
And don't forget to hashtag Plaid Crafts and hashtag Mod Podge. Show us what you guys are making.
We'll see you next time. We'll be back here next Thursday on Facebook and next Saturday on YouTube.
Thanks,
Happy
guys.
holidays.
Bye.